Right guys, what we're going to be looking at today is Shiba Inu. We're going to be looking at the price prediction, any major news, and also what is going on with Shiba Inu currently in 2025. Now before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, as you can see, we are on CoinMarketCap.com. This is where I do all of my beginning analysis before we jump into the more technical analysis over on TradingView. However, what I'm going to be doing is just showing you on CoinMarketCap, because this is what everyone can do. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, you can come on and get everything you need just off of this website. So what we're going to do is just head on over to the yearly time frame. Okay, so we can see that this is one whole year. We can see that we've made a steady increase and then a steady decline back down, but we can see that they are pushing back up to the upside. If we go to the monthly, we have a lower low here and also the highs over on this section here, which we are currently sat at 0.000014. We're currently only 0.00013. We did have a bit of a rejection over on this support line over here. However, if we look at the weekly, we can see that we are making higher highs and higher lows, meaning that we are very bullish. And as you can see over on the right, which you can click follow, you can log in and follow some of the major pairs that you would like to choose. But we can see that the community sentiment is 88% saying bullish. That's over 968,000 views. That's over 968.3 thousand votes, and 88% are saying basically it's a good in time to invest. Okay, so if we take a look at the news, we can see if Bitcoin hits 100k, where does that leave Shiba Inu? Okay, so if some projections suggest SHIB could see major upside, but it's not about Bitcoin, token burns, ecosystem growth, and market sentiment all play a role. Speculation is easy, conviction is harder. Where do you see Shiba Inu? Okay, personally, with Shiba Inu making that rise, obviously the meme coins all seem to follow Bitcoin as well. What we can see is the market cap is up over 8.81%, and the volume is up a staggering 112%. Now that is because we are seeing that increase and the push on the upside with obviously everything going on in the news. It is pushing it to a market. Now if we go on the all-time scale, this is dating all the way back to March 2021. We can see we come in, had that massive increase, and then slowly regulated back to the market. We had a higher high here, and then all the market simply done, if you can see here, follow the line, is it filled in this gap over on this green candle here. That's that market coming down. It's going back up. It then hit that support line again and has dived back down just to fill in any gaps and collect this liquidity over on this section. We're now slowly making that build up. Me personally, I can see this heading back up towards the 40 mark, so 0.000040. So getting invested now would not be a bad shout. If you have Shiba Inu already, personally I would say keep hold of it, because this is the time that they're going to start moving up. As you can see, we had that balance there. We collected all the liquidity off of these lows, and then we're going to be pushing back up, hopefully taking these highs out before regulating and then pushing back up even further. Hopefully by the end of 2025 we can see this all-time high taken out as well. But there you have it guys, that was Shiba Inu, my personal opinion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for educational purposes only, but let me know down in the comments your opinion and what do you see for Shiba Inu in 2025. Now thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.